How to use the ADX Trading Strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the ADX strategy for quick trades starting from 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the ADX indicator, or Average Directional Movement Index, developed by engineer and trader Wells Wilder. ADX helps determine the strength and direction of the trend, which is especially useful for quick trading. The indicator consists of 3 lines. The ADX line is a smoothed moving average of the difference between the other 2 components, plus DI and minus DI. The higher the ADX value, the stronger the trend. The plus DI line, or positive directional indicator, measures the upward movement of the price and helps to assess how much the price is moving upward. The minus DI linear, or negative directional indicator, measures the downward price movement and shows how much the price is moving downward. If the ADX value is above 25%, the trend is considered strong enough to open trades. How to set up the ADX indicator for quick trades. Set the DI length and ADX smoothing values to 5. Watch the direction of the plus DI and minus DI lines. If plus DI crosses minus DI from bottom to top, the trend is upward, and you can open an up trade. If plus DI crosses minus DI from top to bottom, the trend is downward, and you can open a down trade. To improve the accuracy of ADX signals, we recommend using it in combination with RSI, stochastic oscillator, and Bollinger Bands indicators. Happy trading on Pocket Option.